Hello boys and girls, today we'll be talking about adding numbers. A good trick to help you add numbers. If you take a sheet of lined paper and turn it, you have great columns to line up your ones and your tens, and it's also good for regrouping. Addition. Addition is when you put together two or more numbers to find the total amount, which is called the sum. And this is what an addition number sentence looks like. You have an addend, you have a plus sign, you have an addend, you have an equal sign, and then you have the sum. So what do you think the addends are? The addends are numbers added in the addition. So the 3 and the 4 are the addends. The sum is the answer to the addition problem. So number 7 is the sum. Adding numbers. Why is adding numbers so important in math? Let's go ahead and look at a scenario. Mrs. Munir bought 3 large pizzas for her pizza party. Each large pizza was $14. How much money did Mrs. Munir spend in all? So if each pizza was $14 and she brought 3 pizzas, you have to add 14 plus 14 plus 14. So when you add all of them together, Mrs. Munir paid $42 for the pizza. Let's go ahead and look at some addition keywords. So you have the word how many, total, combined, in all together, increase. Now let's go ahead and look at different ways and strategies you can use to add numbers. You have the standard form. This is the regular way we add numbers. You have the expanded form. We just go ahead and expand the numbers. You have a visual way, a place value, where you can go ahead and draw and use tools to help you add. You have open number line, which has a number line. You can go ahead and jump as needed. It's easiest to go ahead and jump by tens and ones. Let's go ahead and look at these a little bit closer. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the standard form. So if I have a problem looking like this, I cannot add like this. This is not a great way to add. I need to first change the way it looks like. So if this is horizontal, what do you think I need to do? I need to change it vertically. This is the correct way to add. Horizontally is not the correct way to add. So if you see a problem looking like this, go ahead and change it to this. That is step 1. Line numbers vertically. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones place. This is the ones place. So we're going to start by adding the 6 plus 7. Do we need to regroup? Is the third step. In this case, yes, because 6 plus 7 is 13, so my 3 goes here, and I do have to add my 1 and put it on the top. Step 4, add the digits in the tens place. So you need to add your 4 plus 3. Don't forget the 1. Our answer is 83. This was the standard form. Let's go ahead and look at expanded form now. Again, we have the expanded form. This is horizontal. We cannot add like this. Let's go ahead and change it to vertical. So let's go ahead and look at this a little closer. So 46 equals 40 plus 6. 37 equals 30 plus 7. In expanded form addition strategy, you do not need to carry the 1. You can simply just write it out like this. So if you are adding the expanded form way, 6 plus 7, you just go ahead and write 13. And then you add 40 plus 30, which equals 70. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring these numbers over here, go ahead and show it to me vertically, and add the vertical way. So you add the 1s, 0 plus 3 is 3, 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer still is 83, but this was a different approach. Next, we will see how to use addition with place value. And this is with visuals and tools you can use on hand. So 46, if you have tens, you would use 4 because that's 10, 20, 30, 40. If you have the 1s, you would go ahead and use only 6 because this is 46. And now we're adding 37. So how many 10s do you need? You need 3 10s, and then you need 7 1s. Now comes the regrouping part, but you're just moving your 1s around to go ahead and make a full 10 frame. So what you're going to do is you're going to see which one is the least. So this one needs 4, this one needs 3. So you're just going to grab these 3 1s, slide it over here, and fill that up. So now this would be a 10s. So you notice that frame became a 10s. So now all you have to do is add up everything you see here. We have how many 10s? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many 1s? 1, 2, 3. Our answer still is 83. And you can always go ahead and check your work the standard form way just to make sure. Another strategy you can use is the open number line. The open number line means you can have a line and you can add the starting point. So in this case, my starting point is 46. And I'm going to figure out how many jumps I need to get to my answer. I know I have to take 37 jumps. You don't physically have to jump 37 times. You can make it easy on yourself and make jumps of 10 and add 1s. So you can go ahead and jump by 10. So how will that look like? Let's go ahead and look at the next slide. So if you want to jump of 10, you have to see, okay, I have my 110, 210, 310. After this, you can't really jump by 10s. That's why we're adding the 1s. So we're going to jump until we get to our answer. So let's go ahead and do the problem by jumping. 46 plus 37. So you need to add 37. So I'm going to jump by tens first. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. That's how I got to my 83. You can also jump by tens. Then you may jump 5. Then you can go ahead and jump 2 if that's your approach. It's open number line. You can do whatever jumps you want. Another strategy is a strip diagram. You can use a model for addition or subtraction equations. For example, if F is my total, how do I figure this out? I know that I have to add 319 plus 128 to equal F. So my answer is F equals 447. In this case, you are subtracting. You have your total. You have one part here, and you're missing the second part. So you're not finding your total in this case. You are finding the missing part. So in this case, you would subtract. You have your total. You're going to subtract 158 to figure out what F equals. F equals 46. Let's go ahead and do an example. Mrs. Munir had 513 jelly beans in a jar. If she found 212 more jelly beans, how much jelly beans does she have in all? So she started off with 513. She found 212. So we know that we need to find the total because we have the word in all. So what we're going to do is we will add 513 plus 212, and we get 725. So the answer is Mrs. Munir had a total of 725 jelly beans. Go ahead and try some examples. You may add the standard form, expanded form, place value, open number line. Go ahead and find out what's your comfort zone. Thank you so much for watching and have fun adding.